time now is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Let us now have our time check prayer.
Panalangin ng mag-anak. O Jesus, pinupuri ka namin pinagrarangalan dahil sa iyong walang hanggang pagmamahal sa sangkatauhan. Pinasasalamatan ka namin sa mga biyayang iyong bigay. Minsan pa, inihandog namin sa iyo ang aming sarili, sampu ng aming kagalakan at pagsubok sa buhay. Loobin mo, Panginoon, na ang aming tahanay pagharian ng pag-ibig, kapayapaan, pagkakaisa at kalinisan ng kalooban. Ingatan nawa ang pagpalain kaming naririto, pati na ang mga wala rito, kami mga nabubuhay at mga nasa kabilang buhay. Mahal na Birhen Maria, mapagmahal na ina, na aming Panginoong Hesus at ina naming lahat, ipinapanalangin mo rin ang aming pamilya sa lahat ng aming pamilya, lalo na ang mga sanggol at mga kabataan. Mahal na Pintakasing Jose, gabay ni Jesus at ni Maria, ipanhik mo sa Panginoong Diyos na ingatan ang aming mag-anak at ilayo sa anumang kapamakan, upang sa gayon, sa piling mo at ni Jesus at Maria, ay mapanatiling buo ang aming pamilya. Amen.
Ito ang Manawag Dominican Broadcasting Incorporated. Isang dekada nang naghahatid ng mabuting balita sa himpapawid. May kasama ka, si Jesus, si Maria at kami. Our positive thought for this hour. Take time today to appreciate someone who does something you take for granted. Atin pong pakinggan ang mga pasabi mula sa Minor Basilica ng Our Lady of the Rosary of Manawag.
The Feast of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manawag will be on October 6, 2019, first Sunday of October. The Novena Masses will be scheduled from 5 a.m. to 12 noon and 4:30 p.m. from September 27 to October 5, 2019. The fiesta activities will be highlighted by the 4 p.m. solemn mass to be followed by a solemn procession. This will be aired live at 102.7 FM Manawag Dominican Radio. You can also log on to our website at www.eradioportal.com or www.radyomanawag.com. You can also follow us on Facebook at Manawag Radio and on YouTube, Manawag Dominican Radio FM.
Atin pong napakinggan ang mga pasabi mula sa Minor Basilica ng Our Lady of the Rosary of Manawag.
Manawag Dominican Radio.
And now back to the music.
Kasalanan ko'y iyong pawiin, ayon din sa iyong pag-ibig sa akin. Linisin mo sana ang aking karumihan at ipatawad mo yaring kasalanan. sa'yo'y nagsisuway. Ang pagsalansang ko ay kinikilala, laging nasa isip ko at alaala. Sa iyo lang ako nagkasalang tunay, at ang nagawa ko'y di mo nagustuhan. Ngunit kawan, kami sa'yo'y nagsisuway. Isang pusong tapat sa aking likhain, bigyan mo Diyos ng bagong damdamin. Sa iyong harap ay huwag akong alisin, ang Espiritu mo ang papaghariin. Ngunit kawan, kami sa'yo'y nagsisuway. Ang
102.7 Dominican
Radio.
Hi kasama! This is your DJ Sky on radio. I just want to share you a one-man a day for July 17, entitled Wicked Christian, taken from the first letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians, chapter 5, verse 11. What I meant was that you are not to associate with anyone who claims to be a Christian, yet indulges in sexual sin, or is greedy, or worships idols, or is abusive, or a drunkard, or a swindler. Insight: remove the wicked one, or everybody will be affected. Avoid associating with sinners. After trying to encourage and bring back lost Christian, then we have no choice but to avoid him, or we might go down with him. Reminder: correct decisions but wrong implementation makes things worse. This is again your DJ Sky, sharing one man a day only here at Manawag Dominican Radio. Hindi ka nag-iisa dahil may kasama ka.
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Rising in the east, bringing forth a new day of rejoicing. Our gifts are overflowing. We proclaim a joyful feast. Under the shadow of the cross, we gain what we're now giving. We pass the cup of knowledge, we share the cup of wisdom, we shout victorious cheers. Now we sing of the story we have made, 400 years of faith, of hope, of love, of USG. Unending grace, we've found our place under the radiance of eternal race. Now we the nations march to bring forth change, to make a better world as we tread the path of heroes and saints. Now we gather all our memories and bless the yesteryears, lifting to the sun our hopes, our dreams, and our fears. Bravely marching to the next 400 years, for we are the children of an ending grace, of an ending
now to the Positive Action Plan, a meditation for making each day a success. Today is July 17, and our meditation is friendship needs frequent expression to remain alive. We are all human with frailties, fables, and insecurities. We need each to be appreciated for the uniqueness that makes us individual, and we need to be told that we are appreciated. Maintaining friendships requires effort and persistent expression, both in word. Let them know that you are there for them whenever they need you. And this is Father Boots Bombasi OP giving you the Positive Action Plan for July 17, which is friendship needs frequent expression to remain alive.
This is number 102.7.
The Limit.
Radio.
So precious are the promises you've given. Unfailing is the way you've kept each one. There is nothing I could do to show I'm thankful, yeah, or repay you for the riches of your love, Oh, and it's you, Lord, it's you. Oh, it's you, only you, only you. Oh, it's you, only you. You're the one that I adore. And these words cannot express this deep devotion of my heart to you.
Lay down our arms and give peace a chance. Let's gather together and join in this dance. Let us forget what we're fighting for, approaching the safety of our common shores. We are the children of this sacred earth. Let's not waste a life that's even at birth, even at birth. Come and sing this joyful song of love and fill the world with wondrous sound. Come and spread good cheers throughout the land as we all join hands, as we firmly stand as one. Instead of walls, let's welcome our neighbors, their names we will call. firmly stand as one. The pain of one person's the burden of all. We are God's children, remember to stand tall. Come and sing this joyful song of love, and fill the world with wondrous sound. Come and spread good cheers throughout the land, as we all join hands, as we firmly stand as one, and fill the world with wondrous sound. Come and spread good cheers throughout the land, as we all join hands, as we firmly stand, as we all join hands, as we firmly stand as one, as we all join hands, as we sing this song of love. This song of love.
102.7.
Isang mapagpalang pagbati po sa inyong lahat mula sa aming mga Dominikanong nobisyo dito sa Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. Nais po naming ibahagi sa inyo ang isang katekisis tungkol kay Santa Maria Magdalena. Apostol sa mga apostol. Tuwing ika-22 ng Hulyo ay pinagdiriwang natin ang kapistahan ng isa sa mga bantog na mga babae na nababanggit sa Biblia, si Santa Maria Magdalena. Sino ba siya at ano ang papel na kanyang ginampanan sa buhay ng ating Panginoon? Taliwas sa pag-aakala ng karamihan, si Maria Magdalena ay hindi naging bayarang babae. Hindi siya isang prostitute. Marami man ang naging kuro-kuro ng mga dalubhasa sa banal na kasulatan patungkol sa kanyang buhay, ngunit ang tiyak lamang na nalalaman natin tungkol sa kanya ay matatagpuan sa Bagong Tipan. Siya ay palagiang nababanggit na kasama sa iba pang mga kababaihang disipulo ng ating Panginoong Hesus. Siya ay tinawag na Magdalena hango sa bayan na kanyang pinagmulan, ang Magdala. Siya ay inilarawan sa banal na kasulatan bilang babae kung saan pinagpalayasan ng 7 demonyo. Dahil dito, maaari nating maipagpalagay na si Santa Maria Magdalena ay nabuhay na puno ng kasalanan. Sa kanyang pagdanas ng masalimuot na buhay, nakilala niya ang Panginoong Hesus na siya namang tumanggap sa kanya na mapabilang sa kanyang mga babaeng alagad. Siya ay nagsisi sa kanyang mga kasalanan. Siya ay pinatawad. Si Maria Magdalena ay nababanggit din na kasamang nakatayo sa tabi ng krus kung saan nakabayubay ang Panginoon. Siya rin ang unang nakaalam patungkol sa bukas na libingan. Nakita ko ang Panginoon, sambit niya. Kaya ganoon na lamang kahalaga ang papel na ginampanan ni Maria Magdalena sa pagpahayag ng mabuting balita. Siya ngayon ay kinikilala bilang apostol sa mga apostol. Ang nabuhay na Kristo ang nagkatiwala sa kanya sa gampanin na pagbibigay alam sa mga alagad ng mabuting balita ng kanyang muling pagkabuhay. Kaya ganoon din ang pagpapahalaga ng buong orden ng mga Dominikano sa kanya. Ginawa siyang pintakasi at binansagang patroness of preachers. Nawa ay magsilbing inspirasyon ang buhay ni Santa Maria Magdalena sa atin. Siya man ay nabuhay na puno ng kasalanan, ngunit sa tulong ng Panginoong Hesukristo ay tumalikod sa kasalanan at nagbagong buhay. Si Maria Magdalena ay naging saksi sa dalawang napakahalagang tagpo sa buhay ng Panginoon, ang kanyang pagkamatay at muling pagkabuhay. Hindi natin matatamasa ang tamis at ligaya ng ating muling pagkabuhay kung hindi natin papatayin ang ating kasamaan. Katulad niya, nawa ay magkaroon din tayo ng sariling pakikita kay Jesus na atin ding masambit. Nakita ko ang Panginoon. Mula po dito sa Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong pakikinig. Nawa ay patuloy po nating isabuhay ang mga turo ng simbahan. Pagpalain nawa tayo lagi ng ating Panginoong Diyos.
Number 1 radio station.
102.7 Manaoag Dominican Radio.
The sun cannot compare to the glory of your love. There is no shadow in your presence. No mortal man would dare to stand before your throne, before the Holy One of heaven. It's only by your blood, and it's only through your mercy. Lord, I come. I bring an offering of worship to my King. No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you're due. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you. I bring an offering to you. The sun cannot compare to the glory of your love. There is no shadow in your presence. No mortal man would dare to stand before your throne, before the Holy One of heaven. It's only by your blood, and it's only through your mercy. Lord, I come. I bring an offering of worship to my King. No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you're due. Oh Lord, I bring an offering.
the least that I can do. Sacrifice of praise, offering of thanks and gratitude to you, my King, to you. I bring an offering of worship to my King. No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you're due. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you.
Ikaw ang aming nakikita sa kanilang mukha. Kaya ang mabuting balita binabahagi sa mga dukha. Ngunit paano nilang masisilayan ang habag at pag-ibig mo kung hindi mapatutunayan sa aming pagtotoo? Kaya kung paano mo kami kinalingan, kung paano mo kami minahal, sa aming buhay nawa ay magbunga ng pagtitiyaga at pagbabagat sa aming kilos, salita at damdamin. Maranasan nilang totoo ang kabutihang natutunan namin na nagmumula sa'yo. Kung ang tao at ang lipunan ay laging magkasarili, sa'yo ang bagong panuntunan, ang maglingkod at magsilbi. Ang aming pananampalataya patuloy mong palaguin, at sa iyong dakilang biyaya di ka namin bibiguin. Kaya kung paano mo kami kinalingan, kung paano mo kami minahal, sa aming buhay nawa ay magbuhay